Want to add some spice to your life? And not just any spice. We're talking spices that can help you control your blood sugar. If you're already managing high blood sugar levels, you probably already know just how important it is to watch what you eat. And if you're trying to prevent diabetes, then you gotta know your spices. So we're about to set up a showdown. 4 of the very best spices on the planet are going head to head. We'll reveal the secret nutritional power of each of these flavorful additions and give you ideas for how to utilize them in your everyday diet. Plus, we'll crown a king. Which spice is the absolute best choice for blood sugar control? Stick around to find out. But before we dive into this spicy vid, just a quick reminder. Subscribe to our channel and make sure to ring that notification bell. You won't want to miss all the latest tips and tricks we're cooking up here at Diabetes Smarts. And stick around to discover how you can get 2 free gifts on us. Alright, let's spice it up, shall we? Welcome to the 4 Spices Face-Off. Which spice is best for blood sugar control? The goal for anyone suffering from diabetes or prediabetes is to maintain healthy blood glucose levels. Why? Chronically high blood sugar levels, left untreated, can lead to nerve damage. In many cases, the end results include amputation of limbs, heart attacks, and even Alzheimer's disease. Were you aware that 70% of people with diabetes end up with these problems? Sadly, it's true. That's why it's really important, especially if you have diabetes, to ensure that you maintain stable blood sugar levels. So, what does this have to do with spices? Well, new evidence now shows that certain spices can be utilized as powerful weapons in the fight against chronically high glucose levels. That's why today we're going to take a close look at 4 of the healthiest spices on the planet: cinnamon, paprika, turmeric, and ginger. What health properties and potential side effects do these mysterious spices carry? And which spice is the absolute best option for fighting diabetes? It's time for this 4-spice showdown. First up, contestant number 1, cinnamon. This spice is a favorite for breakfasts and baking, but the wonderful taste of cinnamon is just one reason to love this spice. Did you know that cinnamon is a great choice for helping to manage glucose levels? It's true. But why? Well, first, here's a little background info for you. This tasty spice comes from the bark of a bushy evergreen tree. It's native to Sri Lanka, India, and Burma. Known for its brown color, fragrant aroma, and sweet flavor, cinnamon has been used for thousands of years. You can even find several references to cinnamon within the Bible. At one point, this precious spice was considered just as valuable as ivory and gold. But these days, we love it for so much more than just its flavor. So, how does cinnamon help with blood sugar control? Scientific studies show that cinnamon might help reduce insulin resistance due to certain compounds they contain, namely chromium and antioxidant polyphenols. And many researchers believe that cinnamon could even play a significant role in preventing diabetes altogether. In another study published in Diabetes Care, researchers showed how consuming up to 6 grams of cinnamon per day can decrease serum glucose, triglycerides, LDL cholesterol, and total cholesterol. This suggests that cinnamon can help manage diabetes, as well as prevent cardiovascular disease. But there's more. Cinnamon has antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial effects. It's no secret why the Chinese have used this in their herbal medicine for many years. Cinnamon is also jam-packed with antioxidants, giving it anti-inflammatory effects. There's also talk about cinnamon improving gut health, maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, and helping relieve digestive discomforts. When it comes to digestive issues, this is why you'll find cinnamon in a ton of herbal teas. So throw a couple grams of cinnamon on your oatmeal in the morning, or sprinkle it on your fresh fruit. It might just help keep your blood sugar levels in check and help improve your overall health. Moving on, here comes contestant number 2, paprika. Flavor-wise, paprika adds a bit of kick to your food. After all, this spice is made from dried peppers. You can also purchase a wide variety of paprika, from smoked to sweet to hot. Loaded with antioxidants, paprika comes with many health benefits. It's been shown to help with maintaining healthy eyesight, reducing inflammation, improving cholesterol levels, and controlling blood sugar levels. Experts believe that paprika helps control blood sugar levels via the compound capsaicin, which is the active component in peppers. It's thought that capsaicin may influence the genes involved in controlling blood sugar. It may also stop certain enzymes from breaking down sugar within the body. In fact, a scientific review published in the Iranian Journal of Basic Medical Sciences found that this spice may help reduce insulin resistance. Another 4-week study published in Clinical Nutrition showed that pregnant women who consumed 5 mg capsaicin capsules had decreased blood sugar levels compared with subjects who took a placebo. Therefore, paprika can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes. It may help you avoid blood sugar spikes and crashes. Plus, paprika offers a unique, delicious taste. But you won't want to add too much of this spice to your food. It can cause bitterness, and may be just a tad too spicy for some people. Also, some people find that overeating paprika can create stomach irritability. So remember, when it comes to paprika, a little goes a long way. But don't overdo it. Most recipes call for just 1 to 2 tablespoons of paprika, so use it wisely. Next up, meet contestant number 3, turmeric. In the health world, turmeric is one popular dude. This spice gives curry that yellow color, and it's actually been used in India for medicinal and flavor purposes for thousands of years. Turmeric is already famous for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects, high antioxidant content, and even its brain health boosting properties. As studies about turmeric continue to pile up, the general consensus is that it can be just about the perfect spice for preventing and managing diabetes. A study published in Diabetes Care revealed that when individuals with prediabetes took turmeric for 9 months, they actually became less likely to develop diabetes. So, what's the secret behind turmeric's power? Specifically, the active component of turmeric, curcumin, has been shown to reduce blood sugar levels. Curcumin does this in a few ways. It helps increase insulin in blood plasma, and it activates enzymes in the liver associated with glucose and metabolic processes. However, researchers and experts alike have made it clear that more research needs to be done to solidify these claims. Even so, diabetic or pre-diabetic individuals will most likely benefit from adding a bit of this spice to their regular dishes. But be cautious. You should avoid consuming more than 4 grams of turmeric in a day. Doing so can lead to nausea, indigestion, and diarrhea. Experts further speculate that too much of this spice can also cause liver problems. So, as with other spices, make sure not to overconsume turmeric. This brings us to today's final contestant, the lovely and exotic contestant number 4, ginger. A close relative of turmeric, ginger comes from Southeast Asia. Its stem, found within the soil, is the part of the plant actually used as the ginger spice. That's why you may see it referred to as ginger root. From teas and smoothies to soups and stir-fries, ginger can be used in a wide variety of recipes. Naturally, the nutritional power of ginger is not restricted simply to diabetes management and prevention. Similar to other spices, ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And throughout history, it's been used for treating colds, helping with indigestion, and reducing nausea. But the bottom line is that ginger can be one of the most beneficial spices for those worried about diabetes. Laboratory research published in the Review of Diabetic Studies showed that obese rats lost weight, decreased glucose levels, and increased their insulin levels after 8 weeks of regularly consuming a mix of ginger and cinnamon. A 2015 Iranian Journal of Pharmaceutical Research study found that participants who consumed 2 grams of ginger daily for 12 weeks had significantly lower fasting glucose levels. And laboratory research published in the Diabetes and Metabolism Journal revealed that ginger had the ability to reduce heart abnormalities in diabetic rats. This means that multiple studies now prove that ginger can be a powerful weapon against both diabetes and heart disease. However, just like turmeric, it's not advised to consume more than 4 grams a day. Side effects are rare. However, eating more than 4 grams a day may result in heartburn, an upset stomach, and even diarrhea. Also, it's important to note that ginger can thin your blood and may affect your blood pressure. So, if you're on blood thinning or blood pressure medications, make sure to talk to your doctor before consuming this spice on a regular basis. But at the end of the day, ginger is yet another spice positively teeming with beneficial health effects, especially for those suffering from chronic high blood sugar levels. Well, now we know the truth behind cinnamon, paprika, turmeric, and ginger. But which spice is the absolute best choice for blood sugar control? The verdict is almost in. But first, it's time to make you the winner of 2 free gifts. Discover a wonderful world of diabetes-fighting foods with our book, Superfoods for Diabetics, and gain exclusive knowledge from leading medical and nutritional experts in episode 1 of that diabetes documentary. To win both gifts, all you gotta do is click the link in the description below. Alright, let's get back to today's 4-spice face-off. So, who wins? Drumroll please. Cinnamon takes the cake. Of course, we're talking about low-carb, diabetes-friendly cake. But however or wherever you choose to utilize this sweet spice, it can bring you some amazing health benefits. We're not saying that paprika, turmeric, and ginger aren't healthy. These spices are also wonderful when it comes to managing erratic blood sugar levels. But simply put, there's just more info out there on cinnamon to show its nutritional power. Plus, cinnamon doesn't seem to have as many side effects as other spices, particularly when consumed in higher amounts. However, make sure to avoid the cinnamon challenge. Eating a whole tablespoon of dried cinnamon can actually cause serious lung damage. So yeah, don't do that. However, you can easily and safely sprinkle a teaspoon or 2 of cinnamon on a variety of foods each and every day. Add it to your oatmeal or a smoothie. Try it in your coffee or your tea. You can even incorporate it into a variety of healthy savory meals, like pumpkin chili, lentil soup, or even on top of grilled chicken. Enjoy the antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral effects of this tasty and incredible spice. And of course, cinnamon can work wonders for your blood sugar control. It may even help prevent you from becoming diabetic. That's why the Diabetes Smart's 4-spice face-off champion is cinnamon. But don't forget about paprika, turmeric, and ginger. Every one of these spices carries amazingly beneficial properties for helping you fight the effects of diabetes. Well, we hope this has helped you decide which spices to include in your normal diet. But we want to hear from you. What are your favorite diabetes-fighting spices? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you found this vid helpful, why not hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Diabetes Smarts, where your health is our #1 priority. Thanks for watching. We wish you a happy and spicy day.